In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your passcode to 4 digits on your iPhone 16. As you can see, if we try to swipe up right here, it's currently 6 digits, and that's not good. So I'm just going to log in like so, and to change it, you just go to Settings, scroll to the bottom, not the very bottom, but just a Face ID and Passcode, and click on that. Enter in your current passcode. I'm going to do that off camera. And as you can see, we just want to click on the option, scroll to the bottom, but not the very bottom, just scroll to change passcode, click on that, and you just enter in your current passcode once again. And you can actually click on the passcode options right here, click on passcode options right here, and enter in 4-digit numeric passcode. Now you can enter in this whatever you want it to be, and you can actually just enter in it like so, and verify it just by typing it in again. And as you can see, when I type that in, it will actually take a second to load, but I turn off my phone, try to turn it back on, it's now 4 digits. How convenient. And that's how you make a 4-digit passcode on the iPhone 16.